All right, so if you want to change the engine air filter on a 2022 GMC Terrain, you got a screw here, Phillips screwdriver, a screw here in this corner, right there, one on the back side, and there's another one back there. So I've already unscrewed it, so you didn't have to watch me mess with those. The air filter we're using today is this STP SA12260. All right, so I got all the screws backed out now, and I just pull this out kind of to the side. Air filter comes out. You can see it's got a tab on the top side. It's got some nasty shit there. What I recommend, you take a vacuum, and you can grab the big stuff first, but and you can use the shop vac. I just grabbed this because it's kind of a small, cordless, pretty easy to use. All right, so then take your new one with the tip on the top. Drop it in. And when you're doing this, you're going to kind of line up all the holes. And what you want to do is you want to get each one kind of started first before you tighten anything, just to make sure that they're all going to line up. And this one right here, if you wanted to, you could take the clip off, get a little better, but angle-wise with the screwdriver, I can get it. You also, if you don't want to use a screwdriver, I think you can put like a small socket on this. I'm not exactly sure the size, looks pretty small. But with this, screwdriver is easy enough, so let's get it down nice and tight. Don't have to go too tight, it's just not like a high pressure thing, just air going through a filter, so you don't want to break any of the plastic it's screwing into, or I believe it's plastic. And there you go. That's how you do air filter. Man tips. Thank you.